You know say boy, careful.
And your girl, I'll be there here, sir.
And by now, you know say everything you see before. Yeah, trick.
It's
We are trick, you
all
know. We are
wrong.
trick, you know. So that was a big long prank. We enjoyed it more than. We know no vexing, but we enjoy our life. And I lie. But like, we not fun done me. I'm still vexed with you know. But
I'm still vexed with them.
everything good. Everything good. Cause we enjoy people. Right now, we're gonna show you or react to all of that, and we're gonna show you some bloopers. Cause trust me.
Yeah, and make sure you enjoy it.
Yes, so just like, comment, share the video.
And remember to turn on the post notification
bell.
bell.
So guys, check out the bloopers them right now. All of the struggle we go through, all of the fun out behind the scenes, and we have filmed this. Trust me,
Yeah,
we're not
see
gonna
that it's
enjoy
gonna
it.
start now.
What is a dream vacation?
Oh my god, really wanna go in a Bahamas. But the place them again, Alex. The place them again, Alex. Again, Alex.
Guys, Jesus, yo, come on, dog. No, dog.
Ready?
I'll go for do it maybe.
See, I'm in it for that. What's your gift? I will have it.
We don't listen to it.
Alex, I'm serious.
Stop, joke, brother. Yeah, but we don't know why and something. But serious, brother.
Let's go in there. What for the temperature?
No, we do.
Trouble now.
What is your favorite place for your body to be touched? And can I touch it?
Of course.
Where?
My birth.
Which one?
One of them.
Any one of them? So we are going to say, talk to you again, no?
No, I'm not answer that again.
People, so enough for that talking. We're going to have it right now.
That good.
Mosquito pen.
Come on,
Bloopers.
come on, everyone. Come on, everyone.
That's how we don't stop there.
This one, you know? But,
Like how me and you that do the video.
Man, oh, okay, Alex, there you're son.
Yeah.
but don't come, Alex.
Ready?
But this is what talk, you know?
I tell you what, you saw them along and the baby.
I don't know.
Alright, come.
Yeah, and I'll be a fun going in a them something there, you see it.
Is it ever cute look around face me like that?
Yeah, but we like
Wait.
I got 3 kids.
Abby. Talking of the number. Oh, chicken. That's No, I said 4.
I already asked, you know.
2 boy, 2 girl.
5.
No, 2 boy, 2 girl.
More one extra.
Till I have number that.
Alright, go on.
No, I want to vibrate.
Alex.
Boy, if you drink,
Don't worry. Because Alex in.
no, me I say yeah. Me I get thumbs and I
So
say
it's not going good.
yeah. Me I do it.
Alright, so they were trying to make a good tummy.
Yeah, so we are going to show him how to plan a kiss now.
Yeah.
We are going to plan a kiss.
Yeah.
You are going to put your face in front of her and like, she going to so. So you see the picture take.
Oh, they look real as
That's
hell.
what look like, say. We are
And the
kissing her.
kids together go ahead.
So, you are going to take a picture.
Let's go.
Right.
Plan it. Is
Yeah.
it? Yo, you can't believe
You
me.
know, this guy can't got the front part.
That's why I say.
What should I and then act like a movie?
You have it the same way?
Yeah.
Show me the bag.
Alright.
Got you. Yes, I camera.
Mia.
Oh, the... Hello? AC gang is...
out!
Alright.